only 2 sea countries left on worldly treats with no meats. Today is the tiny divided island of Cyprus. This nation is famous for its halloumi cheese, so let's try some. Cyprus is an island located on the eastern end of the Mediterranean Sea. Internationally recognized as a single sovereign nation, internal politics have actually divided the island between 4 separate parties, and today the Republic of Cyprus only occupies the southwestern portion of the island. Originally settled by the Greeks way back in the 2nd millennium BC, the island has long been seen as a strategic point in the Mediterranean. Among the various empires and kingdoms it became part of, Cyprus eventually fell under Ottoman rule. In 1878, the United Kingdom took over the administration of the island and attempted to settle the slowly growing unease between the Greek and Turkish Cypriots. While each side wanted to join Greece and Turkey, respectively, Cyprus was instead granted independence. The United Kingdom retained control of the 2 military bases, Akrotiri and Dhekelia. Unfortunately, more turmoil between the Greek and Turkish Cypriots remained, and in 1974, Turkey led an invasion of Cyprus and declared the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus, controlling the northern half of the island. A buffer zone run by the United Nations has existed between these 2 areas since. Today, the Republic of Cyprus has a population of about 800,000 people and speaks both Greek and Turkish as official languages. The capital is Nicosia, lying right on the buffer zone. The island has a subtropical climate and resembles other nearby Greek islands geographically. Cyprus has an advanced high-income economy and is a tourist destination. Keep in mind that this is Greek Cypriot recipe, and a Turkish Cypriot one will be coming in a later episode. For this you will need 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil or oil from the jar of the sun-dried tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 red onion cut into thin wedges, 2 garlic cloves very finely chopped, 6 stoned black olives rinsed, 125 grams of halloumi cheese cut into 1 centimeter thick slices, 40 grams of baby spinach leaves, and 25 grams of rocket, which we here call agruda, and 10 sun-blush or sun-dried tomatoes finely chopped. Whisk together the oil and the lemon juice in a bowl. Put the onion wedges in another bowl. Drizzle over 1 tablespoon of this dressing and toss the coat. Set aside. Stir the garlic in the remaining dressing, then add the tomatoes and the olives. Mix well and leave to marinate briefly. Heat a cast iron grill over medium heat, then brush with the remaining tablespoon of oil. Add the onion wedges and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until nicely browned on the underside. Turn the onion wedges over with a palette knife and then put the cheese slices into the pan. Increase the heat a little and cook the onion wedges for another 3 minutes and the cheese for about 1.5 minutes on each side until tinged with brown and just beginning to melt on the edges. While the onion and cheese are cooking, mix the spinach leaves and the rocket together in a wide salad bowl. Arrange the onion wedges and cheese on top. Tip the tomato mixture into the hot griddle and stir for just a few seconds until hot and steaming. Spoon over the cheese and salad leaves and serve. Cheese is really, really tasty. The sauce over the greens is nice too. The onions are just right. That's pretty good. Very good.